Welcome. Today we are going to discuss about the topic what impact data analytics knowledge can have on your career. This presentation is provided by Escalera Technologies. So, in order to understand our career prospects in data analytics, we need to understand how companies use data analytics, ML and AI. Companies use data analytics to decide whether to launch a new product, whether to install a new machinery, how to detect fraudulent financial transactions, how to predict probability of a loan default, how to compare performance of two or more teams, departments and products. So important points to be considered here are that most of the companies are falling short on skilled data analytics resources. A career in data analytics is quite easy to start or quite easy to switch to in comparison to pure software development careers. Now the demand for data analytics, machine learning professionals will be growing day by day. So first of all, we need to understand that what is the educational background needed for a data analytics career. It is quite mandatory, I would say, that mathematics is mandatory at 10 plus 2 level. And for data scientist, pure data scientist role, we need to be at least MS, MTech or PhD. But for people who want to do intermediate or medium level data analytics, they can have BTech, BSc Mathematics, BCom, MBA, MCA, MCom. They can have all these background education. Now, I would say that although 2+ years of experience is preferred for data analytics because it involves a certain kind of exposure to various business functions, but still freshers with good academic background can also go for career in data analytics. So apart from educational background, the skills needed for a career in data analytics are strong mathematical aptitude, good communication skills, a research exploratory attitude, an ability to think both at high level and at low level, that is at macro level and micro level. Escalera Technologies can help you building a strong career in data analytics. We provide online training along with access to our portal with numerous resources. A lot of free and premium content is available on our portal. Escalera Technologies is a private limited company registered as a startup with DPIIT Government of India. Our aim is to build a robust ecosystem where people can hone their skills and showcase their potential. This is one of the photos where we were invited by Ministry of External Affairs India to the India Singapore Expo Inspreneur 3.0 in September 2019. We were among 60 startups that were shortlisted from India. Now, you can take advantage of the live classes provided by Escalera Technologies via our excellent portal nhstep.com. So NHStep is a one-stop portal for accessing all free and premium courses, content and practice tests. It has also a free recruitment services for job seekers. For learning, we have data analytics live course, digital marketing live course, SQL and database management live course, access to recorded lectures post class, and we have a job portal. So this live learning is a hand holding kind of learning. It's totally live learning where you can ask questions then and there itself during the class. The data analytics live course syllabus is part 1 business statistics, probability, regression, time series and so many other things covering theory and real business case numerical. We have data analytics via MS Excel, we have data analytics via Python, Power BI for graphical analytics, visual representations, Tableau, case studies, several case studies and one big project. Benefits of signing up on how you can access this live training by signing up on portal nhstep.com. Access to the portal with you have following benefits. Access to exclusive content. Most of the content is free with some premium content, paid content. Access to previous practice questions. There is a full uh, question answer series kind of practice available over there. Access to recruitment portal where you can post your resume, where you can fill in all the information. Online live classes run from Monday to Thursday, 40 minutes per day. And if you select the weekend batch, then it runs on Saturday and Sunday, 1 hour 20 minutes per day. Data analytics training and other few other trainings are provided by Amish Srivastava, who has 16 plus years of IT experience and has varied experience as a consultant across different countries and different organizations. He has been awarded for his contribution for business analytics and several other things. Thank you. I hope you will find good. You have a good experience once you sign up to nthstep.com. Thank you.